Have you ever stopped to wonder how apps like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp can offer so much, yet never ask you for a single dollar? It almost feels too good to be true, right? It's like a digital magic trick. Endless scrolling, constant updates, and a world of entertainment, all without a price tag. But as the saying goes, there's no such thing as a free lunch. The secret isn't hidden in your data alone. What's truly being bought and sold is your attention, your time, your focus, and your engagement. Every second you spend on these platforms is valuable. Think of it like traditional television. TV shows are free to watch because advertisers pay for the chance to show you their commercials. Your attention is the currency. Meta, the company behind these apps, has taken this model and supercharged it for the digital age, building the most advanced attention marketplace the world has ever seen. Businesses and brands pay Meta billions for just a few seconds of your focus. They're not buying your secrets, they're buying the chance to be noticed by you. Meta doesn't hand over your private information. Instead, it offers advertisers a way to reach you based on what you like, who you follow, and what grabs your interest. If people believed their personal details were being sold, trust would vanish and users would leave. That's why Meta acts as a strict gatekeeper, keeping your identity behind closed doors. Advertisers simply tell Meta the kind of audience they want. Maybe it's new parents, sports fans, or foodies, and Meta delivers their ads to the right people without ever revealing who you are. In return for these free, powerful apps, we allow Meta to observe our digital lives, what we like, what we share, and even what we scroll past without a second glance. Our habits, preferences, and patterns become the raw material that fuels Meta's advertising engine, making it smarter and more effective every day. Meta transforms this attention into the most valuable advertising space in history, where brands compete fiercely for even a moment of your time. This is how Meta became a global powerhouse, connecting billions of people and generating enormous profits without ever charging you a cent. And it all begins with the family of apps you use every day, seamlessly woven into your routine. So, the real product isn't you as a person, it's your attention, carefully packaged and auctioned off to the highest bidder in the digital marketplace. Welcome to the business of free, where your attention is the most valuable thing you never knew you were giving away. Meet the Meta family: Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Facebook is the original social network, connecting billions and gathering data on everything from your interests to your marketplace activity. Instagram, bought in 2012, is the world's photo album, capturing our aspirations and trends. WhatsApp, acquired in 2014, is a private messaging giant, connecting over 2 billion people. Each app collects different data, painting a complete picture of your digital life. Together, they form an ecosystem that powers Meta's advertising engine. It's not just one app watching you, it's a family, working together to understand the digital you. How does Meta know you so well? It's all about data. Every time you open Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp, you're feeding Meta a steady stream of information, sometimes without even realizing it. You give it info, your age, location, interests, when you sign up. But that's just the beginning. Even the smallest details, like your relationship status or the pages you follow, help Meta start building a digital version of you. But Meta also tracks what you do, what you like, watch, click, and ignore. Every post you linger on, every video you replay, and every story you skip tells Meta something new about your preferences. Every action is a signal, building a profile of your interests. Over time, these signals add up, creating a surprisingly accurate map of your personality, habits, and even your moods. Meta's reach goes beyond its own apps. Visit a site with a like button or Meta pixel, and it knows you were there. This means your activity across the web is quietly being added to your profile, even when you're not on Facebook itself. All this data, what you share, how you behave, and where you browse, creates a detailed, anonymous portrait. It's like a digital fingerprint unique to you, but stripped of your name and personal details. Advertisers never see your name, just a bundle of interests. They see categories like loves travel, new parent, or tech enthusiast, not your actual identity. Meta's algorithms use this to target ads with stunning accuracy. The more you interact, the sharper your profile becomes, and the more relevant the ads you see. It's not magic, it's relentless observation. Meta is always watching, learning, and updating what it knows about you, second by second. Your digital life is constantly analyzed and updated. Every device you use, every app you open, adds another layer to your digital self. The result? Ads that feel eerily relevant. Sometimes, it's as if Meta knows what you want before you do. That's the power of Meta's data machine. Billions of data points, processed in real time, all to keep you engaged and advertisers happy. You're not just a user, you're a collection of signals, patterns, and preferences, all woven together by Meta's invisible algorithms. Your online actions are digital body language. Likes, comments, and shares are signals, votes for what you want to see. Shares are the strongest signal, telling Meta's algorithm what's truly resonant. Viral content spreads because every share tells the system to amplify it. Meta's AI also analyzes content, photos, videos, text, to understand your preferences. Like golden retriever photos, Meta knows, down to the breed, every interaction, from a quick like to a detailed comment, refines your profile. This isn't a static file, it's a living, real-time portrait of your interests. Meta can tell the difference between a casual gardener and someone planning a greenhouse. This deep understanding makes its ad platform irresistible to businesses. They're not guessing, they're targeting people most likely to care. That's why Meta's system is so powerful. So how does Meta turn your attention into money? It's a fascinating process that involves a complex interplay of technology and psychology. Through a lightning-fast ad auction, Meta leverages its vast data resources to match advertisers with the right audience. Every time you open Facebook or Instagram, an auction decides which ads you see. This happens in milliseconds, seamlessly integrating into your browsing experience. Businesses define their goals and target audience, down to age, interests, and recent browsing. They use sophisticated algorithms to predict what you might be interested in. When you fit the criteria, your feed becomes a battleground for ad space. Multiple advertisers compete for your attention, each hoping to capture your interest. The winner isn't always the highest bidder. Meta factors in bid, estimated engagement, and ad quality. This ensures that the ads you see are not only relevant but also engaging. Relevant, well-made ads can beat higher bids. This encourages advertisers to create content that is both appealing and informative. This system rewards advertisers for making content you might actually care about. It's a win-win situation. You get more relevant ads, and advertisers get better engagement. For you, it means ads are less random and more tailored. You're more likely to see products and services that genuinely interest you. For Meta, it means billions in revenue, every second, worldwide. This continuous stream of income fuels further innovation and growth. Your attention is auctioned off, slot by slot in real time. This dynamic marketplace is constantly evolving, adapting to new data and trends. That's the business model behind your free feed. You get to enjoy content at no cost while Meta monetizes your attention. The better Meta knows you, the more valuable your attention becomes. Detailed user profiles allow for highly targeted advertising, and the auction never stops. It's a perpetual cycle, ensuring that your feed is always filled with the most relevant ads. Why do businesses pour billions into Meta ads? Because it works. Unlike billboards or TV, Meta lets them target exactly who they want. No wasted effort. Even small businesses can reach the right people with tiny budgets. Every ad is trackable. Impressions, clicks, and purchases are measured in real time. Businesses know exactly what works and can tweak ads instantly. This turns advertising from a guessing game into a science. The result? Higher returns, less risk, and more profit. Meta's platform is indispensable for modern commerce. Precision, measurement, and optimization keep businesses coming back. That's why Meta dominates digital advertising. What about the rest of your feed? That's the algorithm at work. Its goal, keep you engaged by showing the most relevant posts. It scores every possible post based on your relationships, engagement, content type, and recency. Posts from close friends or popular content get priority. The algorithm learns your preferences, videos, articles, photos, and adapts. Your feed is a personalized, addictive stream curated by AI. The more you engage, the more the system learns. It's your own digital newspaper, updated in real time. The result? You stay longer, see more ads, and Meta profits. Meta isn't just about social apps, it's betting big on the metaverse. The metaverse is a 3D shared virtual world where you can interact, work, and play. Meta's Quest headsets and AR glasses are the gateway to this future. Billions are being invested in hardware and software for immersive experiences. Right now, Reality Labs loses money, but Meta sees a long-term goldmine. Imagine ads as virtual billboards or branded digital stores. The business model: sell attention and data in 3D, just like today's feeds. Meta wants to own the next era of digital interaction. The metaverse is a risky bet, but if it works, Meta will shape how we connect for decades. The future of free is about to get a lot more immersive. So, how does a free service become a trillion-dollar empire? Meta offers irresistible, free apps that attract billions. Our digital lives become data, refined by algorithms into detailed profiles. Meta doesn't sell your data, it sells access to your attention. Businesses pay for precision targeting, and the ad auction drives profits sky high. Algorithms keep us engaged, fueling the cycle. Now Meta is betting on the metaverse to own the next digital frontier. The next time you see a perfectly targeted ad, remember, it's not magic. It's Meta's machine, working exactly as designed.